Hi, this is Mel Rothberg. I'm the Vice President of Quotient Sciences, Miami. We're a clinical research operation, part of a UK-based company called Quotient Sciences, which does both drug formulation and clinical research. We've been trying to get back online. In fact, last week we began some of our studies again. This has been really a challenging period for not just only our company, but our staff and the volunteers that we recruit to do our clinical work. We do primarily first-in-human clinical trials for large pharma and biotech companies. There's no question there has been a lot of challenging activities with regards to sourcing of personal protection equipment. In fact, that's one of the main reasons we were shut down for a period of time in February till just this last week, is to avoid using the critical equipment that's needed for the first responders and hospitals. But now that appears more availability, we've been able to get back on track, at least to the critical items. We're still challenged with a continual supply, and as well testing kits as well. Those are very critical and important for us to ensure safety of our staff and volunteers. I think the biggest interesting challenge that we had was immediately going into a virtual environment where people were working from home, and we developed a online communication methodology, which has now led us to think about the future, and that there's a lot of things that we were able to do that gave us a chance to become more efficient, in fact, by using technology. And we're going to assess that as we go forward. But I think the most important thing is we got a chance to all work together, much more so than, in fact, when we were actually on site working as we normally did. We found ourselves being isolated in some ways, and this forced us to all work together and be heard together. And so as challenging and difficult this pandemic has been to everyone, there's definitely lots of negatives for sure that I need not speak to, but the positives going forward are teaching moments for, I think, everyone. And I hope that we can learn to operate in a more efficient and effective way going into the future. By the way, all of our meetings, whenever they're called for, are including our team in the UK. So technology allows us to do these virtual calls seamlessly, and I encourage you all, if you haven't already, I'm sure you have, to continue to do so. I think will advance all of our businesses in the future. Wish you all a safe, happy Memorial Day. I'm talking to you at this moment, and hopefully we'll all remember those that gave their lives in the past, and those today that obviously no cause of theirs has unfortunately lost theirs. So stay well, stay safe. Take care. Bye.